Okay, hello everyone. Let's look at the sequence and series question here that I found in a textbook. It says an arithmetic series has 10 terms. The sum of the first three terms of this series is 18, while the sum of the last three terms is 81. Find the sum of all 10 terms. Okay, let's see how we can work this out. You're having what? 10 terms. That means there's term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, plus term 6, plus term 7, plus term 8, plus term 9, plus term 10. And then you're given that the sum of the first three series. So the sum of the first three would be given by S3, which is T1 plus T2 plus T3, which is equal to an 18. Then the sum of the last three will be 81. So sum of terms from 8 to 10 will be equal to 81. Now, the first thing you need to know, this is arithmetic. So the first term of an arithmetic sequence is A. Second term is given by A plus D. Third term is given by A plus 2D. Then term 8 would then be A plus 7D. Term 9 be A plus 8D. Then term 10 A plus 9D. Right, now we have the sum. Now the sum here for S3 is given by the sum of all these terms. And the sum for S8 up to is given by all these terms added together. So let's try and add them together. So if we add these terms together, for example, S3 will be given by T1 plus T2 plus T3, of which T1 is A, T2 is A plus D, T3 is A plus 2D. Now we can group like terms. And also note that we have the value of 18 here. So 18 is equals to A plus A plus A plus D plus 2D. So 18 is equal to 3A plus 3D. Let's leave that to be our equation 1. Then we add the last three terms. Now the last three terms are given by the sum of term 8 up to 10, which is given by T8 plus T9 plus T10. Okay, now the value of the sum of the last three terms is equal to 81. Now T8 is given by A plus 70. T9 is A plus 8D. Then T10 is A plus 9D. So 81 is equals to A plus A plus A plus 70 plus 8D plus 9D. And 81 is equals to 3A plus, that's 15 plus 9 is a 24D. Right, and that'll give us equation 2. So I would say equation 2 minus equation 1. So I'll start with the left-hand side. The left-hand side will have to be a 81 minus 18 is equals to 3A minus 3A. And then a plus 24D minus 3D. Right, 81 minus 18, we get 63, which is equals to 3A minus 3 is 0, 24D minus 3D is 21D. And that leaves us with one unknown, whereby we can divide on both sides by 21. And then we get that d is equals to 3. Now, we can therefore say from equation 1, we knew that 18 is equals to 3a plus 3d. Then we substitute the value of d, of which this is 3a plus 3 times 3. Now this is 18 minus 9 is equals to 3a. That gives us the value of 9 is equals to 3a. You divide by 3 on both sides, then a is equals to 3. Now, we're not looking for a and d. We're looking for the sum of the 10 terms. So, this will be given by as n is equals to n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1d. So, this is sum of the 10 terms. It's 10 over 2 into 2 times the first term. A is 3 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by the difference or common difference 3 close bracket. If you put this in a calculator, you get that S10 is equals to 165. Thank you.